I'm gonna start up our 69 F100. Thing runs really good. See the oil pressure coming up. Fuel gauge, I don't believe works. Radio don't work. Fan don't work. Wipers do work. So, but good running truck, so good one to start with. Driving project, I call them. New fuel pump. I think they did something with the fuel tank, fuel lines, because it's been sitting for a while. Manual brakes, manual steering. One headlight works. Must need a bulb in the other one. Batteries from this year. 302 in it. And the tail lights work. So one headlight and at least all your lights work. So if you're looking for a cheap old truck to drive or start working on, pretty good running old pickup. 605-695-7391.